Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. In the last video lecture, you studied about the various cases of image formation in a concave mirror. Today, you will study about image formation in a convex mirror and practical uses of mirrors. And I hope the Tata Edge video must have been informative to you. After studying today's topic, students, you will be able to number 1, draw a ray diagram to show the formation of image by a convex mirror. Number 2, you will be able to enlist uses of plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror in our day-to-day life. So after the completion of today's topic, students, you will be able to draw a ray diagram to show the formation of image by a convex mirror, and you will also be able to enlist the uses of plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror in our day-to-day life. Image formation in convex mirror. Students, this is a convex mirror. As you know that the inner surface of a convex mirror is polished. So you can see the inner surface of this convex mirror is polished, and so the reflection of light will take place from its outer surface. Okay, and we have kept an object in front of this convex mirror, and this arrow indicates the presence of the object. And you know that first ray of light is parallel to principal axis, so this incident ray is parallel to principal axis. And in case of a convex mirror, this incident ray will appear to pass through the focus. See, it will reflect back and it will appear to pass through this focus. Okay, and the second ray is passing through the C, center of curvature, and it will retrace its path. Incident ray and the reflected ray. As we know that when ray of light passes through center of curvature, it retraces its path. So these rays, they are appearing to meet at this point. And so virtual erect image is formed, because in this case the rays are not actually meeting. They are just appearing to meet. So the image formed is upright image. You can see this is upright. And this kind of image is called virtual erect image. And the size of image is, this is the size of object. Size of image is very small than the size of object. So we say that in case of a convex mirror, virtual erect and diminished image is formed between pole and focus. So students, in this case, the convex mirror is forming virtual erect and diminished image of the object between P and F. And it is very interesting to note that a convex mirror always forms virtual erect diminished image of the object wherever the object is. So in this case, wherever you keep the object, convex mirror is always going to form virtual erect and diminished image of that object. So we have achieved our first learning outcome, and students, now you all can draw a ray diagram to show the formation of image by a convex mirror. Uses of concave mirror. Number 1. Concave mirrors are used by dentists to see magnified or large image of teeth. Students, as you already know that a concave mirror forms virtual erect and magnified image of an object when that object is kept between pole and focus of a concave mirror. So in this case also, when the teeth lies between the pole and focus of a concave mirror, then the image of teeth is virtual erect and magnified. Number 2. Concave mirrors are used by ENT doctors as head mirrors, and concave mirrors are used by ENT doctors as head mirrors to get a parallel beam of light. Number 3, concave mirror used as reflectors in the torches, vehicle headlights and searchlights to get powerful beam of light. And so concave mirrors are also used in the torches, vehicle headlights and searchlight so as to get a powerful parallel beam of light. Number 4, concave mirrors are used in ophthalmoscope by the eye specialists. So eye specialists, they use an instrument called ophthalmoscope, and in this device concave mirrors are used. Uses of convex mirror. Number 1. The convex mirror is used as a side view or rear view mirror in vehicles. They help driver to see the traffic behind them over wide range of view. So students, you already know that a convex mirror always forms virtual erect and diminished image. So as the image formed by convex mirror is diminished, so you can view a wide range of area with this mirror. Number 2, convex mirror is used as security mirror in shops. Again, because convex mirror always forms virtual erect and diminished image, so it is used as security mirror in shops. Uses of plane mirror. Number 1. Plane mirror is used in periscope to see overhead objects. And you must have seen a periscope which is used in submarines. Number 2. Plane mirrors are used in kaleidoscope to form beautiful patterns. Number 3. Plane mirror is used as makeup mirror or shaving mirror. We have achieved our second learning outcome. And students, now you all are able to enlist uses of plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror in our day-to-day life. Thank you.